Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to do SEO on your Shopify store. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so I'll be working in this Shopify store that we built in another tutorial. Okay, so it's a test shop for a skincare product. So we'll be doing SEO optimization on this website and the skincare product. Okay, so we'll go back to the admin. Okay, so back here in the admin panel, what we want to do is start off by using the SEO tools that Shopify already provides out the box. So over here in online store and preferences, so you want to make sure that these are already filled out. So the homepage title and the description, as well as your social sharing images. So essentially this is what will show up in the title bar. So if we go back to our website over here, okay, so back on our website, if we click up here in the tab, we can see Premium Skincare Magic. So this is set by the homepage title over here. And then the description is about explaining what your store is all about. So again, making sure that you're using keywords in your homepage title and meta description is important. So to improve what we have here already, what we can do is write as well, say best skincare product, and then add it in the description as well. Okay, so something like this. So this will help you with ranking for best skincare product, which is a term I would think it's very competitive. So you would need to do more keyword research on maybe a specific niche of skincare products. So say best facial care products or something like that in order to develop more of a niche before you target more broad keywords. Okay, so this is within your online store. Next, we'll go over into your pages. Don't forget to save as well. Okay, so within the pages, you can also do SEO optimization within the bottom over here. So under search engine listing, you can edit this. So again, making sure that the title and description matches with what your page is about and you're able to target specific keywords. So again, about us would be very broad. So again, this isn't really a page you really want to be ranking for, as you want to be ranking specifically for your product pages. Okay, so once you optimize your individual pages, then we can go over into optimizing the product pages. Over here in the products, we can click into one of the products, and then down at the bottom, there'll be, again, over here, you'll be able to edit the search engine listing. So again, adding keywords here like best skincare product, and then just incorporating that into your description as well so that there's consistency in your keyword choice. And again, one of the best skincare products. Okay, and then we'll just save that. Okay, so you want to make sure you do this for each of your products in order to help it rank on search engines, as well as your collection pages as well can be optimized. So here we have a skincare collection. So again, here, this one doesn't have a title and description, so we can edit that as well. So we can write skincare magic collection and then just give a description of what that's about. Okay, and then you want to click save. And then again, make sure you do this for all of your collections. Okay, so that's how you can start off with your SEO optimization. So next I'm going to show you an app which you can install that will provide more ways to optimize your website for search engines. So what you want to do is go into apps. Okay, and then we're going to search for SEO. So search SEO in the Shopify App Store. Okay, so now we're going to install the SEO app. So what you're going to do is go into apps and then search SEO, and then click search SEO apps. Okay, and then we're going to install this one here, Avada SEO and Image Optimizer. As you can see, it's the most reviewed app. Click install. Okay, and then install. Okay, and then we'll just run through their setup. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have the alt tag set up. So that's essentially for your images. So essentially it's giving a text label for each of your images, which is good for SEO and for accessibility. So you want to turn that on, and then image optimization as well, and turn off speed off because we're going with the free plan. So click select plan, and again, continue as free. Okay, great. So now we're here in the dashboard of Avada. So we can see some ways to optimize our shop. So we can optimize the images as well as do an SEO audit. So it's saying here that the site speed is already excellent. So that'll be different for each website. So make sure you check that out. And over here, we can see what we need to improve. So view checklist. Okay, so you can just go through each of these and then enable or disable them based on your SEO strategy. So for this, being able to have Google structured data is important for Google Shopping. So I would enable that. So again, with this website, it's just a development store. So that's why it's not being indexed by Google. Okay, again, duplicate content, that's important as if you have duplicate content, it will affect your search engine rankings in a negative way. So I think that's a pro feature. That's why it's saying contact. So we can skip that and then open grab meta tag. So this is just for social sharing. So we can enable that. Okay, so this one requires a higher plan. So you'll just be limited by the free features. But again, just with the free version is good to start. Okay, and then we'll work on over here where it says optimize the images. Okay, so how it works is you'll see the image over here and then you'll be able to optimize all the images that you want. So just select all the images and then click optimize now. So essentially over here, it's showing that it'll reduce the size by 50%. Okay, awesome. So this was the size before, and then now it's reduced by more than 70%. So again, this helps with site speed, and having a fast loading website will help with your SEO rankings. Let's go over here into the other features. So again, just make sure you're looking at if it's a pro or free feature. Okay, so something else you want to make sure to connect is your Google Search Console. So you can do this without Avada, so that's something you can do as well. So I have another tutorial on setting that up on my channel, which you can check out. Okay, and then the broken link manager. Okay, then here in SEO tools, so what we already did here was optimize our images. So if you want to reduce the size of your image when uploading, then you can upload it here. So again, a sitemap is important as you're able to submit this to Google Search Console in order for them to index your site faster. Okay, so this one is the one created by Shopify, and then this is the one created by Avada. Okay, so I would just recommend using the one by Shopify as it's already in XML format. Okay, so we can just disable this one now so we don't have two HTML sitemaps. Okay, great. So I think this is a good start to optimizing your Shopify website. So again, using the features from Shopify already is a good start, but if you want to do some more optimizations, then you would have to subscribe to a pro SEO app like Avada, as they'll offer more suite of tools. But again, you can install Google Analytics and Google Search Console and Google Tag Manager directly without any apps. You would just need to connect your Shopify store, and then that will also help with search engine optimization. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to follow along with this tutorial and SEO optimize your Shopify store. If you're looking to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then you can click the Calendly link in the description. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.